Hello guys, welcome you all to the PC Tips Pro. Today in this video, I'm gonna to show you how you can create real estate website with WordPress. So, if you want to create your attractive websites, then without learning any programming languages like HTML, Java, you can go with this WordPress platform. If you want to facilitate a transaction between the buyers and sellers of property, or represent either party and help them achieve a purchase or sale with the best possible terms, then it's the best platform for you to create your own websites. So before we move further, don't forget to subscribe to the channel PC Tips Pro. So before we move further to this topic, let me tell you they require two basic requirements. The first requirement is the domain. That means you need to buy a domain, and the second is you need to buy a hosting. So when I talk about hosting, then you can either buy WordPress hosting or cPanel hosting, and in that cPanel hosting you can install WordPress. So I'm going to explain you this in two parts. In the first part, we will discuss about that how you can register domain and hosting, and in the second part I'll tell you how to set up your hosting and how you can create your website on WordPress platform. So let's proceed further to this. First of all, you can open your browser, and on the browser search for Domain Racer, or you can directly go to the website which is domainracer.com. So now I'm going to register the domain and hosting with Domain Racer because they have very great services. They also have instant support, as you can see support chat is here. So you can talk to them directly and you can directly contact the salesperson. Also, if you are having any of the technical issues. So on the top you can see domain and hosting are here. So now click on the domain and search for the domain. Also, make sure while searching for a domain, try to search for the name which is relevant to your website. It means the keyword of your website should be in domain. Talking about real estate website, I will search for my real estate and will click on the search option. And here you can see there are different suggestions coming up. The domains which are available here are, the first domain is mycaminorealestate.com. The second one is myrealluxurystate.com, and the third you can see on my screen, myrealestatestudio.com. So if you are a developer and digital marketer, then I'll suggest you to go with .com domain because the .com domain will show your presence globally. It also helps to rank your website on top. And now, once you select the .com domain, you can click to this Add to Cart. Now you can go to the web hosting. So you can see they are providing very cheap website hosting, which is starting from 59 rupees per month. You can host one website here in this plan. But if you scroll down, they have 4 different plans available which you can see on my computer screen. Basic, Personal, Silver and Advanced. So if you want to create one website only, then you can either continue with Basic or Personal. But let's suppose if you want to create multiple websites in future, then I'll suggest you to go with the Silver or Advanced, because in Silver plan you can host up to 3 websites, and in Advanced plan you can host up to unlimited websites. And I'll also suggest you to go with Advanced because there is no limitations of anything. That means you can host up to n number of websites. You have unlimited bandwidth. It has live speed technology. You can have free domain also. So I am selecting this Advanced plan and click on to view more. And as you can see, I had already selected the domain which is myrealluxurystate.com. So I'll use this domain. And here you can see the order summary. These are the advantages and benefits which are you getting with advanced plan are here. Like as you can see, it have unlimited web hosting. That means you can create a number of websites. You can also see unlimited SSD storage, which is good for your website speed. Another one is you have unlimited bandwidth. It means your website will respond very fast. Next, also unlimited FTP and MySQL. That means you can create a number of database without having any problem. The another best thing is that you can get free SSL certificate. That means you don't have to spend any money to secure your website, as you are getting free SSL certificate here. Now, also you can have unlimited email IDs. So after checking its all features, you can just click to continue option. Now there are two different services they are additionally offering is ID protection and DNS management. If you want to continue with these, you can click into these two parts. Otherwise, you can simply click on the continue. And now you can see what are the things you are ordering here. So click on this checkout option. And here this is the last step in this registration part. So first you can see you have to fill your personal details like your name, email address and your phone number. And after the billing address and further we have to set the password here. Make sure this is the same password you will use for the next time when you will log into your Domain Racer account. So after filling all the details, you can click to the I have read the terms and conditions and then click on to this complete order. So it was the first part that how you can register the domain and the hosting. Now we will move to the second part to set up your hosting. So again, go to the Domain Racer website. Then on the top, you can see this login option. So click to this login option, and once you click into login option, you have your credentials to login. This is the same credentials which you have created at the time of signing up the account with the Domain Racer. So use the same credentials to log into the account, and once you log into your account, you will see the services and products you have got from them. So you can see your active products and services here. Once you click on this shared hosting and domain, you will get the cPanel login credentials and the link also. But here I'm directly going to the cPanel. Then we'll enter ID and the password. So now you can see the cPanel account here. Now once you log into cPanel account, scroll down it completely down to the bottom. And in this software menu, you can see on my screen, you will see there's an option coming up, WordPress Manager by Domain Racer. Then you can see there's an option coming, WordPress Management. And also there are two different options, install and scan. So click on this install option, and here we are going to install the WordPress in our cPanel hosting. So on the top you can see here, so it's asking to choose a version. So always try to use the latest version, that will be good for your interface of the WordPress dashboard. Now here's it's coming for site name. The site name would be your website name, that means your domain name, that will represent your website. So it was my real estate. And the site description you can give, like for example I'm taking here is, hey, this is my real estate. Now you can see on my screen there's ID and password coming up, so you can choose and change according to your needs. So I'm keeping it same, admin and admin. Now select the language, that is English. So you can choose the language according to your comfort or which you feel easy. And now here's the last part coming up, to select the themes. So you can click to show all themes. Here it will show you the list of all the available themes. So let's search for the theme available here. So it was about real estate. So I'll search for real estate, and now I can see there's a match found for real estate, and I think it would be better theme for that website. So I'll select this theme, and as I think it would be better related to real estate. Also, if you want to see the demo of this, you can click on to demo, and here you can easily see the demo that how this theme will look like on your website. You can see it's really looking amazing and will make your website look attractive. There are different photos you can add or create on your own with whatever you think would be great for your website. So I'm going to select this theme only, and we'll click on this install option. So as you can see, it's installing now. So it might take some time. So as you can see, it may take up to 3 to 4 minutes. So you can read it from here. It depends upon your internet speed, how fast your internet is working. So let it be, because this is the mandatory part. You cannot skip this part. So we will need to wait some few minutes more. Now after completing the second part, you can move to the last part, how you can customize your theme and how you can give the right and attractive look to your website. So guys, let's move to the third part. Now you are done with the installation part. You will get this screen here. As you can see, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Now you are given 2 different links here. The first link, as you can see, that will show how your website is looking like. So you can click on this and you can open. This is how the website is looking like. It was really interesting. Now coming back to the second link, as you can see, administrative URL, from where you can go ahead to the customized website. That means it will be your WordPress dashboard. So click on this and it will redirect you to the WordPress dashboard. And as you can see here, so talking about the role of this dashboard, let me tell you, this dashboard will let you to make changes to your website. As you can see, either you can customize your website from here, or you can change the theme completely. You can also enhance your content with blocks and patterns. You can do the changes from left side too. Like if you want to post a blog, you can click on to this post option. If you want to add new post, then you can click on this too. And again, you can manage your comment section from here. By clicking on appearance, you can change your theme or customize your website. Or if you want to add any plugin, then click on this plugin option. If you want to assign any other user to your website, you can simply do it from here. Also, you can see there are many tools which are available. So here, when you go to the website, you can see at the top, My Real Estate. If you remember, it was the name of the website I have given at that time. And now you can also see in the heading, here is coming up, hey, this is my real estate. And if you remember, it was the description I given at the time of the installation. So these all are the demo photos you can see. So how can you change it? So you need to go to this dashboard, and here it's the option Start Customizing. So click on this. It will let you do all the changes to your website. Let's suppose if you want to make changes in the header or footer, templates, pages, you can go to the header, and here you can easily change the header as it's preparing the interface. And these are things you can change according to your needs. There are several things you can change according to your need, that is title or whatever you want to. Next, you can change title and add new section. If you want to make change to homepage, then you can click to this and you can see it's preparing interface for homepage. So from here, scrolling down, you can change this image or anything else you want to customize in your website. So guys, I hope it will help you to start your own real estate website through WordPress. That's it for today. Keep watching PC Tips Pro.